Are you trying to climb out of your crib? No, let's not do that. Hey. Get your butt back down. Come here. Come here. No. We're not trying to climb out yet. Are we ready for our big bed now? Are we ready for a big bed? Yeah, don't do that. You're gonna bump your head. All right, let's get the day started. Can we please not try and climb out? Oh, good morning. So yesterday when we came home, truck and wife let the fuel get a little low on this thing, which I think has nothing to do with this, but cylinder 7 on these LS motors is the very back one closest to you as a driver, and it's misfiring. So a couple things it could be. It could be a vacuum leak. This thing's a 2016, so I don't know if that's the case. It could be the coils going bad. This thing has over 100,000 miles. So this is cylinder 7 coil. I've already got it out. I can unplug it. You just take off those two screws or bolts and unplug the spark plug wire. And then I'm gonna switch it with cylinder number 5. And then if I get a code cylinder 5 misfire, then I know it's this coil. So that's just a quick and easy fix. I'm gonna also do all the plugs, just because I don't know if they're still original or not. And if it is the coils, I'm gonna replace all the coils because I just don't wanna do it again. But that's what we're doing this morning. Oh yeah. These two are switched now. I switched this one with this one. Is it? Who's coming?
Mail truck.
Mail truck? Cool. And I don't have my OBD2 reader. I left it in that Tundra I just sold. But this is what I did do. I took the last spark plug out. See how it's nice and wet? That means it's not. Wow, you gave me some mail?
Yeah.
So that means it's not firing. That's what you can do a little test that way too. Go ahead and get the mail. So I'm gonna just be precautionary. I'm gonna get new. It is very wet. Be careful. Look both ways for cars, and grab the mail. Thank you, bud. Go ahead, Kason. Go ahead and grab the mail. But also these wires are kind of, the insides are just corroded and nasty, so I'm gonna replace the wires too. That's it. A little fun 8 a.m. car maintenance. And the coils are about $80 a piece, which is gonna be a little pricey, but I'd rather have the peace of mind on it. So we might be doing all the coils too. All right, let's go to the store. Time to go get some parts. What kind of parts we need, guys? Oh, we're going topless. And what are those parts? Cash, you have a coil.
Oh.
Kason, you have a wire.
Kason, you got wire.
Yeah, you got a coil.
And it also has a spring on the wire.
Wow. All right, let's go get some parts from Mama's car.
Yeah.
I gotta put your seatbelt on, Kason. Let me put your seatbelt on. All right, let's go. All right, so we got our new plugs. One new coil, $80, $79.99 for that thing. And then the new plugs, this is the new one. You're gonna reuse these little shields, heat shield things.
What are you doing, Dada?
Fixing Mama's car, dude.
Oh.
So this is what we got, an old 6.2, 420 horsepower. We replaced coil number 7. What I did was I switched them, so coil number 5 now is brand new. But they only had one of those coils in stock, $80. So I did this whole side, all new plugs, or all new wires, all new plugs on this side, got it all done. Did this side, did all new wires and plugs, and on the number, what's this gonna be, number 6? Yeah, because that's 8 in the back, so sorry. Number 6 back here, the plug was also wet. So that's telling me maybe that coil's gone too, but it's only giving me a code P0307. If you ever get a P0303, 302, that's a misfire in that cylinder. So right now, maybe only 7 is giving enough of a headache to make the computer see that it's a misfire. But definitely my plug over here is wet on number 6. So I'm gonna have to order all new coils, but they only had one in stock. So that's what's gonna be next thing, but still running a little rough, but we got all new wires, all new plugs, and one new coil. We just need 7 more. But yeah, that's how you do them. It's pretty easy. Hardest one is way back in there. Yeah, that one was not easy to get to the plug, but we got it. So All right, God bless. And if you have an LS-based motor, that's why these trucks and SUVs are so great, is because they're all the same platform of motor, so parts are pretty interchangeable and not too expensive. And they have 420 horsepower. A little bit of hesitation still, so it's got to be the rest of the coils. That's where we're going to start, but at least we got the plugs and the wires out of the way. We know those are brand new now, so we'll go on to the rest of the coils, see if that's it. But in the whole meantime of doing this, got to the parts store like 8:15 in the morning, right when they opened, and got the one coil. The coil also has a little, looks like it's been used before, so I don't know if I trust that. I might just go to the dealer and get all brand new OEM, because it's like 80 bucks a piece. It can't be much more at the dealer. But in the whole midst of that, we got a load. So we're trying to get up northeast area because to pick up this truck. So luckily, got a load, picks up latest by 3 o'clock. It's about noon right now, so we got to get showered up, cleaned up, and get up to, it's about 60 miles from our house to pick it up by Gastonia, between here and Charlotte. So go get it, 30,000 pounds, but it's going where we want to go, and it's over $3 a mile. So hey, we'll take it. All right, let's get up there. We got Garfield here, came out. One of our units, the fan is starting to kick on, not as much, so it's getting a little warm down there. And the downstairs unit. Come on, Case. We're trying to get to the truck and get going. We got about an hour and a half.
I got his phone.
Oh, go give that, no, go give it to Mama. Come on, he doesn't want the flower. But Garfield there is the family friend with the HVAC, so save a lot of money. Find someone who does your HVAC for super inexpensive. What's that? Oh, I was just talking to him. He says the fan on the compressor is not kicking on, so we might need a new fan. So that's good. Hi, Truck and Wife. You ready for this?
I guess.
Got a load. We're kind of matching America Out. I got like Top Gun. You got the love,
totally
love,
by
love.
accident too. Oh, Papa.
Oh, Mama gave you a flower.
Oh, thank you. Can I have a kiss?
All right, well, let's get this stuff loaded.
Charge, we have to add fan load to be high.
Oh, no worries. Looking like we're gonna maybe be a capacitor. That is one heck of a truck there, Garfield.
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
We're pulling an RV with it.
There you go. Actually, that's why we're going to upstate New York right now. We're getting a 2500, a Ram. Yep, so.
I like the Cummings.
Yeah, me too. That's it. Keeps going. Inline 6. Easy to work on. All right, well, capacitor it is. If not, fan motor. But thank you so much for coming out short notice.
You're welcome.
Take
See
care.
if I can find it.
All right, God bless you. Come on, Kason. Tag team back again. Check it to wreck it. Let's begin.
Let's get some noise.
Back at it. We are heading up to like halfway between here and home in Charlotte, about 80 miles, like 70 miles. Pick up a 30,000 pound load, heading up towards where our new truck is. So worked out pretty good. I got that Escalade worked on. Didn't fix the issue, so I'm just gonna have to get all 8 coils. I think that one is firing the worst. So that's what I think it is, but you never know. It could be a stuck lifter, it could be all kinds of stuff, because we did have a lifter problem that we thought we had earlier, but we'll see what it is. At least we got that done. Say goodbye to the babies. Gigi came back over. We may have given her some money for watching our kids for, 4 days straight now after these 2 days? She watches our babies. She's alive since. So thank you, Gigi. God send to us, and let's get to this pickup, and then let's get north. Route 216 coming up to Cherryville, North Carolina. Some cornfields and some high clouds. And a cemetery over there. We're almost to the pickup, and then we have to head up to New Jersey. Brought the hitchhiker again, though. She's in the back.
I'm not a hitchhiker.
Cherryville, North Carolina. Never been here. Has anybody else ever been here? Oh, truck museum. Okay.
It is though. It's a cute little place.
It is cute, but we're supposed to turn right in the street. It does not look like it's capable, but everyone else has gone over that curb, so we're gonna cross our fingers nobody's coming right here. There we go. Use all bit of this road and take the curb like everyone else just did. There we go. If you had a car there in that lane, you would not be making that turn. Up here on the right side, 0.6 miles. Cherryville, North Carolina. Anybody ever been here? Katie sure has.
Have I?
I don't know. Truck and Wife has. You better run. You better take cover.
I like little towns like this
Yeah, dude. Look at that stoplight. It's like just one pole in the middle of the road.
There since 1902.
There's a hanging giant stoplight. Looks like they've upgraded the lights to LED.
Do you ever realize how big those things actually are in real life?
No, it's like as big as that Corolla over there. You gotta see a light, you know? Oh yeah, your 3-year-old's starting to tell me every light he sees now. Dad, the light is red. We got John L. Buck Fraley Field over there. Cherryville. Waiting for our giant light turn green. Pick up till 3 o'clock and it is 2:45. Let's hope they're in a good mood, and the 3 o'clock was just kind of a disclaimer. Satellite imaged the heck out of this area, and there was no other real way into it, but then there's all these no through truck signs. How else am I supposed to get here? Am I supposed to go way up to the north and come back down? Anybody been here before? Let me know the route I should have taken. This trucking wife told me to take this route.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I told you that. Not GPS.
Well, I satellite imaged it, but the other route was like, there was no other route, so I don't know. That's where we're going, right there on the right, yeah. Go through trucks, and how the heck are you supposed to get through here? Who knows? 500 feet on the right. Looks like we're getting some kind of groceries because there's an Aldi truck down there. Where is that entrance? Is this, did you say you should put some pants on? Okay. You don't have, trucking wife, why don't you have any pants on?
Look, I like cooking.
All trucks enter here. That's quite the entrance there for 53-foot trailers. Let's do this. I don't think this town gets many big trucks. You okay back there? Let's make this happen. So we have to enter here. So we're going to go way over here. Clear that fence back there by 2 feet. There we go. All trucks stop. Let's check in here. Well, we will do that. 30,000 pounds of retail is what it says, so let's see what we're getting here. Dun, 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 dun. There's a little piece of paper on the ground. Somebody's hit this thing. Ooh. How you doing? I got a C.H. Robinson load going up to New Jersey. Hey, can you hear me? Got a C.H. Robinson load for 3 o'clock going up to New Jersey. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right, guys, we're gonna deal with guys. Shouldn't even pay attention to me. I do all the work around here. Whew. All right, door number 1. Shouldn't be hard to back into that thing. Get these doors open. You know, cut some crazy pickup numbers, but I had to hold the button on the call box. He's like, hold the button, I can't hear you. But somebody has hit the call box and bent it down, so it was a little bit far to get to it, but. Blessing to get this load. Trailer's still clean. Woo! Let's get it in there, guys. And then finish up this video. Probably go live on another ride and road.